Welcome to the Holiday Hop with myself, you and me, FPP, Colleen from Colleen Sews and Chats, and Melissa from Practically Creative. We are going to hope you enjoy our quick Christmas makes. Thank you. Today's make are going to be quick little Christmas gift bags. This again is using the Lewis and Irene pattern of 12 Days of Christmas fabric. Cut them all out. I've bordered them all with other Christmas fabrics, as you can see, and you just sew a binding. I just chose some different colours to add to the top, just to make each one different. Sewed them all the way around, leaving a little bit of a gap at the top so that you can thread some cord through. Once you turn them out, they come out quite pretty, and you've got 12 little gift bags. You can either fill them all and give them to one person, or split them up and give them to as many different people as you want to give them to. But they are quite cute little bags, which are ideal, easy, quick makes. I made all 12 of these in less than an hour, so they are very quick to cut out, and it's yeah, they look great, I think. Thank you.